MetroWave is Iron Mountain's product that allows our customers to take advantage of the ecosystem beyond the four walls of our data center. Some of our competitors build great ecosystems, but they build them as walled gardens so that you get exactly what you get in their four walls and nothing else. We build a more open model for interconnection. We provide our customers with DWDM solutions that give them low-cost fiber into some of our competitors' data centers, which we know are strategic interconnection points. A long time ago, the cloud providers figured out that there was a great business model to be had by putting their data centers where they wanted them and then tethering back for the connectivity and decoupling the compute from the network. What we've done with MetroWave is we've taken that capability and extended it to more customers. You can take your own dark fiber, build your own optical systems, and do that within our Iron Mountain data centers. We've got multiple dark fiber providers, and that is an option. But for customers that don't have the optical expertise, don't want the cost, and only need a couple of waves to those strategic interconnection points, the MetroWave product really gives that ability to separate the compute and the network and tether back for that connectivity. There's two flavors of our MetroWave product. The first is an unprotected MetroWave. An unprotected MetroWave is a single wavelength from point A to point B running on a single optical system. This is a great solution when customers have other opportunities to fail over that goes along a different system. The second option that's available is our diverse MetroWave product, and this provides our customers with two different waves on two different systems on two different fiber paths. Now you notice it is a diverse MetroWave, not a redundant MetroWave. In our experience, most customers that want this type of solution want to control the redundancy and the failover themselves, so we've given the customers the flexibility to do that.